do? I'm the Dollar Sportsman, guys. So you will notice that I did a review of the GAMO Swarm Maxxim, and I was very impressed with the pellet gun. It was awesome. It shot straight, and it was pretty dang fun. I mean, we had a good time. So I did not buy the GAMO Swarm Maxxim, but I was inspired, so I got something else. So we are going to unbox it and show you what we got here. Let's pull it out. I love unboxing stuff. I really do. Field guide from Airgun Depot. That's where I bought it from. So, Airgun Depot's pretty slick. I told you I had a really good Black Friday, and I did. And Airgun Depot was part of the reason for that, because they had some really good sales. All right. I didn't buy the GAMO Swarm Maxxim. I bought the GAMO Swarm Magnum. So the whole idea behind the Swarm gun is the fact that it's 10 round capacity, and all you have to do is cock it and you're ready to go with another shot. I mean, it was really fast. The video that I made, you can see how fast it was to re-get back on target and to just be able to fire again and again. Wow. I am going to give the GAMO Swarm Magnum a turn, and let me just read you off some of the advances in this. So the Swarm Maxxim was 975 feet per second using a PBA pellet, and it was closer to around 650 or so with lead. So the Magnum is 1,300 feet per second using PBA pellets, and it clocks somewhere around 900 or so using lead pellets. That is so much force, guys. It is so much force, and that is outstanding for a Springer air gun. I mean, just really outstanding. So I'm gonna read you off here a couple of the other things. It's got the IGT gas piston. That's pretty standard now with GAMO's pellet rifles. The Whisper Fusion, and this is different. So the Swarm Maxxim, it's called the Maxxim because it has the Maxxim system for sound suppression. Well, this one has the Fusion system. So it's supposed to be a little quieter, and the whole idea behind that is because you're shooting this so fast with so much force, they needed an upgrade. So they did it. They made the upgrade. So that's a 10 round quick shot magazine, which I love. Let's see, it comes with the standard scope. It's a 22 caliber because I love 22 caliber for hunting. I think it's the way to go. That's just me. Now, there was something else that I didn't point out in my Swarm Maxxim video that these both have, and that is the fact that it has this recoil reducing rail. And the whole idea behind that is airguns and Springers especially are very hard on scopes. So it's very easy to wear down the scope because of the spring and the recoil in there. So it does damage to the scope over time, right? They can hold up for plenty, but you want to make sure that you have the best system possible to avoid that. So this recoil reducing rail is that idea. It reduces the amount of recoil that the scope feels itself, and that makes your scope last so much longer. GAMO, that was an excellent idea. I'm impressed. I like it. This also has a recoil reducing pad on the back. It's got the 2-stage trigger. It's an adjustable trigger, which is awesome. The fact that it's adjustable is just ridiculously exciting on a fairly inexpensive rifle. Now, let's talk price for a second. This rifle, the MSRP is $330, and it retails for $300 normally. I got it on a Black Friday sale from Airgun Depot. It was already discounted down to, I'm trying to remember now, like $250, I think. And then I used a code on Black Friday to get it for $210. And guys, that's just an awesome deal. That's a really good deal. that doesn't happen all the time. But I would still look at Airgun Depot and try to find out if you can get a good deal or not if they happen to be running one. Always look for the sales. I would say always look for the sales. During this time of year, there are probably going to be a few of them because we've had Thanksgiving, we have Christmas coming up, and they're going to want to sell these. So, total side note, I should mention that I've recently tried to sign up to become an affiliate with Airgun Depot, so I will have a link in the description below for this and the American Gauntlet. You're welcome to click it. It will support my channel. It will support me. So rather than losing money all the time on my wonderful hobby that is the Dollar Sportsman, I might actually gain something to pay for all this stuff. And maybe my wife will be happier with me. So click on the link if you want to order one. It would be great. I've been talking long enough. All right. Okay, here it is. All right. What a beast. I think this thing is 50 inches long, something like that. So let's open her up, get her out of the plastic. Ooh. Look at that. I also like the fact that this has a cheek rise right here. That's a pretty good upgrade. I like that a lot. So one of the things that I've heard about this is that it takes a lot of effort to cock it. Oh boy, they're not wrong. That's 41 pounds of effort. So if you are a small build person, go with the Swarm Maxxim. I'm just saying. That does take quite a bit of effort, but man, that thing is slick. Look at that. Look at that reach, man. It's all the way out to you guys. Whew. Okay, hold on. Sound test. Notice I did not put a pellet in. Everything is empty. Breech is clear. Barrel is open. Okay, here we go. Sound test in 3, 2, 1. Wow. Yeah, that thing that has some recoil to it. All right, that's for sure. This thing is packing a punch. All right, let me try. I really did that because I just wanted to try cocking it again. Oh, woo! Yep, definitely takes some effort. Okay, sound test number 2 in 3, 2, 1. Yeah, the recoil really isn't that bad. I mean, I shoot regular firearms as well, and it's not any worse, but it definitely has a punch. So we're gonna do that one more time because it's fun. And I also want to note that cocking mechanism does get easier over time. I just wanted to try it 3 times here just to see if it would even loosen up a little bit in 3 times. And I think it has, but it might just be a mental game. I don't know. You gotta order it and try it for yourself, I guess. Okay, listen, one more time. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that's not bad at all. Man, I'm excited. So, all right, we got the gun. Ooh, and we have the standard GAMO 3x9 scope, special design for air rifles. So this, I mean, it's a standard scope. Personally, I think I'm gonna upgrade it. I like to have an ability to understand where my holdover is when I'm hunting. And duplex reticle just doesn't quite offer that. However, I must note, if you've spent all your money on this alone, this scope will work for you. It will be enough. How do I know? Because it's the same scope that was on the Swarm Maxxim, and it worked just fine for me. Once we zeroed it in pretty well, it held at 0, and we were shooting really tight target groups.
1/4 inch low, but there's 5 shots in that mess. That's that.
That is outstanding. So it'll work. That's all I gotta say about the scope. So, also inside the box is, of course, the 10-round magazine. I would probably recommend getting a couple of those so you can rapid reload. It's a good idea. I did not this time because I spent all my money on Black Friday on this. And something else, which will be coming. It's, hint, hint, it's an upgraded scope. So we'll do that soon. Guys, this has been another glorious unboxing of air guns because I like unboxing air guns. It's just entertaining. And look at this, man. It's ergonomic, it's ambidextrous, it's just, yeah, I think I'm gonna like this. So I'm the Dollar Sportsman. Click the link below if you would like to order one of these. It will support me and my channel and pay me back for all of the budget-friendly, but all of the money that I've spent on this over the last 2 years. Just saying. Comment below, tell me what else you would like to see, what sorts of videos you'd like me to see, or you would like to see of me doing with hunting or target shooting, or what kind of pellets, etc. that this particular gun will work with well. I'm willing to do all those types of videos, or if you have any brand new ideas, let me know. I'm the Dollar Sportsman. Thank you so much, guys. I'm gonna have fun with this, and we will have another video coming up soon enough where we do some of those target tests, etc. I'll see you guys next week. Stay tuned. Got some shotguns, a couple of buddies, and it's gonna be a great day. I've got tannerite. Well, that should be fun. Comes open real easy. I'm the Dollar Sportsman. I'm the Dollar Sportsman. I'm the Dollar Sportsman. Thank you for joining us today. You can get a lot of good stuff from this.